The suffix "ness" means state, condition, or quality. Words, usually adjectives, with the suffix "ness" become nouns that mean having the quality of the root word. This video will help you increase your vocabulary with this common English suffix. Keep watching. When you add the suffix "ness" to the end of an adjective, the new word will become a noun that means having the quality of the adjective root word. Happiness is a noun that means having the quality of being happy. Suffix "ness" spelling note. If a two-syllable adjective ends in the letter Y, the Y will change into an I, before adding the suffix "ness." Happy becomes happiness. Friendly becomes friendliness. Lonely becomes loneliness. Three-letter adjectives ending in Y don't often change to an I. Shy becomes shyness. After high school, Brendan overcame his shyness and became a popular singer at local clubs. Examples. Kind plus ness equals kindness, the quality of being kind. Thank you for your kindness. Happy plus ness equals happiness, the quality of being happy. I wish you lots of love and happiness. Sweet plus ness equals sweetness, the quality of being sweet. I add honey to my coffee to give it a little sweetness. Silly plus ness equals silliness, the quality of being silly.
I've tolerated your silliness long enough.
Blind plus ness equals blindness, the quality of being blind. Drinking with alcohol may cause blindness. Dark plus ness equals darkness, the quality of being dark. Darkness is falling, we should get home. Ill plus ness equals illness, the condition of being ill. I missed a lot of school because of illness last year. Fit plus ness equals fitness, the state of being fit. I'm strong, but I'd like to improve my fitness. Weak plus ness equals weakness, the quality of being weak. My son's biggest weakness is his stubborn attitude. Neat plus ness equals neatness, the quality of being neat. All my teachers gave extra marks for neatness. Dry plus ness equals dryness, the state of being dry. This medicine may cause dryness of the mouth. Lonely plus ness equals loneliness, the state of being lonely. Depression often stems from loneliness. Bright plus ness equals brightness, the quality of being bright. You should reduce the brightness of your screen. Fair plus ness equals fairness, the quality of being fair. The teacher was admired for her fairness. Tender plus ness equals tenderness, the quality of being tender. Showing some tenderness doesn't make you weak. Thick plus ness equals thickness, the quality of being thick. The length of time you need to barbecue a steak depends on its thickness. Tight plus ness equals tightness, the state of being tight. The day after the marathon, I felt a real tightness in the back of my right leg. Unhappy plus ness equals unhappiness, the quality of being unhappy. Many people deal with their unhappiness by overeating. Clean plus ness equals cleanliness, the quality of being clean. The restaurant's #1 priority is cleanliness. The adjective clean is a special example. We add the letters L and I before adding the suffix ness to become the noun cleanliness. The pronunciation also changes, clean sounds like clen after we add the suffix. Visit the blog post that supports this video and learn 60 English words that use the suffix NESS. You will find a free PDF download as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.